Hey, so how to import data from Shopify to Xero. In this video, I'm going to share a really cool app that helps you do just that. It's called Link My Books. And in the description, I'm going to share a free trial for Link My Books with you with a special free onboarding link and a special coupon code that helps you save 50% off for 3 whole months. Now, if you need Shopify integration with Xero or QuickBooks, then sync Shopify payments, payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, and summarize all other payment gateway sales too. So basically, Link My Books can help you with integration between Shopify and Xero. And Link My Books basically is accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot, so accounting, bookkeeping software. So save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So again, free trial, free onboarding link in the description, plus the best coupon code. And also it integrates with other kind of marketplaces. So not only Shopify, but also Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, Tik Tok Shop, Square, and WooCommerce. And another cool thing about Link My Books that is it can be used by e-commerce sellers, but also by accountants and bookkeepers. So if you're an e-commerce seller, then in the description also you'll find this video with myself, Vova Even, great to meet you, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books. And in this video, we show you how to use Link My Books from A to Z for e-commerce sellers. So we show you all the process from kind of zero to understanding how Link My Books works well. And also, I recommend you using the free onboarding, of course, to help you further understand, but the video can be useful too. Of course, we show you all this kind of process of working with Link My Books from A to Z in this video. If you're an accountant and bookkeeper that manages e-commerce clients with your accounting firm, then we have prepared another video for you where myself, an Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, co-founder of Link My Books, show you how to use Link My Books for bookkeepers and accountants. It's a 41-minute tutorial. And if you're an accountant or bookkeeper that wants kind of to get more clients, to automate processes, to have less errors in their practice, then this video is going to be for you. Same for e-commerce sellers, of course. If you want less errors in your kind of accounting and bookkeeping, then again, we have the other video for you that shows you how to use Link My Books. So again, all the links are in the description. Free trial, free onboarding link in the description, best coupon code, save 50% off for 3 whole months with Link My Books, all the tutorial videos. And my name is Vova Even, seller on Amazon and also an affiliate of Link My Books. So if you ever do business with Link My Books through my link, I'm going to get a little commission from that at no extra cost to you. And this way you can support my free content. Truly grateful for that. I do appreciate it. And you can learn more about me at vovaeven.com. So thank you. Everything is in the description, all the useful links. Thank you for watching. Be well. Good luck to you.